Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is a luxurious project near Toliganj metro station, and you can see this is a 2 BHK apartment, model apartment of 680 square feet built up area, not super built up area. We are saying just built up area. So this is the dining hall, and this side this is the living space. And see the beauty of this apartment. It's a beautiful apartment with having excellent pattern design. And come this side, you can see the 360-degree view from this windows. This entire portion is window, and this side you will have your attached terrace area. This terrace is included in this 680 square feet built up area. So you can see the terrace, it's a big terrace. Now see the living space here, beautiful living space. And this side, this is the dining area, and this portion you can decorate your TV unit over here. And see the switches, unique design. And now come inside. So this side is the kitchen space. It's a long kitchen. The size of this kitchen is approximately 10 feet by 5 feet, with kitchen trolleys and the chimney hub and the window. So excellently decorated kitchen. And now come this side. This is the lobby space, square in shape. And this side you will be having the common washroom space and first bedroom, and this side is the second bedroom with attached toilet, master bedroom. And just to mention you that this side you will be having your washing machine point. This is the inlet and this is the outlet point. So now come inside this common washroom. So this is the common washroom space. So see the space, it's a beautiful space, common washroom. The size of this common washroom is 6 feet by 6 feet, almost a square shaped. And the speciality of this common washroom is this separate shower space, which is drop down to get a wet toilet, wall mount commode and the basin space. And now come this side. So this is the king size bed. This is the first bedroom. See the beauty of this first bedroom, excellently decorated with having a running wardrobe space. The wardrobe space is approximately 3.5 into 2.5 in depth. And this side you will be having your TV unit if you want. And come this side again and see the view of this bedroom. It's a beautiful view of this bedroom. Not only that, both the side you will be having a small table attached with this bed and a dressing area like this one. So it's a smart concept of a bedroom. The size of this bedroom is approximately 10 feet by 10.5. And now come outside again. So now we are entering into the master bedroom. So come inside. So this is the master bedroom with a king size bed. And have a look at the total space of this bedroom, with a very big size quality French window. And not only that, with a big size wardrobe space. And this side you will be having your TV unit space. And the size of this bedroom is approximately 12 feet by 10.5. And see the beauty of this bedroom along with this toilet. So come with this. This is the attached toilet space. So you can see the basin area. And this is the wash area separated from the basin space. And this is the wall mount commode space. The size of this toilet is almost a square size, 6.5 into 5.8. So hope you like this video. So this is a 2 BHK with 2 toilets along with a big size terrace, and this terrace is available only on the first floor. So not all the flats will have the terrace space. You will get normal balcony space 10 by 4 size, but in this particular apartment you will get the terrace along with this apartment. So hopefully you like this video. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Please share and subscribe our channel for further updates. We are waiting for your valuable feedbacks and responses, and we are offering some great discounts for Puja special, and these discounts are for very limited periods. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.